Hey guys, how's it going? It's Orit here, and I wanted to do a little tour for you, show you our new office, Jewel and I's new office. We're super excited. This is where the magic happens, by the way, where we film all of our videos and we do our planning and stuff. So nothing like MTV Cribs, by the way.
It's not huge.
It's a tiny little thing, but it just feels good. So come on, I'll show you.
Here we go.
Ta-da! This is our little creative space, and as you can see, it has everything that we need. Like, we set up our whole, like, you can see here is the webcam when we film like tutorial videos. We have the mic set up. Sometimes we'll have a ring light here too, but I didn't need it, so I just kind of packed it away. Got our little headphones here to plug into Spotify. This is my planner, my daily planner. I fill this thing out religiously every morning and every evening. And yeah, over here we have our filming equipment. So this is where, like, we have all of our gear and our lights and like accessories, GoPro stuff. It's kind of Jewel's domain. I don't know, Jewel, if you want to show anything.
I'll jump in here. This is the cameras area. So this is the Nikon. These are the GoPros, the Hero 7, the Fusion. This is the webcam here. This is the microphones area. So we've got like a shotgun microphone here. This is the USB microphone, and this is like our actual wireless microphone that we connect to the bigger camera. And then we've just got some accessories here, batteries, some holders, external portable drive, and some lights here.
By the way, this cart, IKEA, it's brilliant. We love it. I think we have two of them.
It comes in black as well.
Yeah, and dark blue, I believe. And over here we have our calendar. This is where we write down things that are important dates and appointments happening in the month. And always need a motivational quote, right? This one says, I don't know if you can see that, make today your masterpiece.
This is my desk area, but I removed my laptop here so we could put the calendar there. And I'm working on the couch right now.
Yeah, and I mean, this is the best part, is just sitting here.
Give us a full demo.
Just sitting here and like working, you know, you got everything you need, and you just kind of, whenever you need to think of ideas, brainstorm, or just kind of take a break looking at the screen, just look up and see how much there is to be grateful for, and it feels amazing to be in here, and I'm really grateful that we get to have this living space, because, you know, before we were always moving from coffee shop to coffee shop, or I'd work at home, which was like really dark, didn't have a lot of windows and sunlight really matters. So speaking of sunlight, this is other window. I kind of closed it because it was quite dark, or quite bright rather.
It's super bright, so you can see here. This is the view that we get. When it gets really sunny like this, we have to put the shades down because it gets really hot in here.
Yeah, it's kind of like a greenhouse. If you don't have the shades down, it can get really warm in here.
But even with the shades down, it's super bright, and just the energy of the light changes everything completely.
Well, sometimes we also like open this up. This is a balcony area.
Let's go out on the balcony.
So it feels, there's like some cool air blowing in there. So yeah, and then here is the view without the windows.
The view makes this whole thing, honestly, and the light. It makes a room completely transform, and it's a complete 180 from what we're used to. Like Arit said, we used to, in the very beginning, we used to work at the airport. Like, we used to just go to the airport for many hours.
The weirdest places, like, yeah, just places where you could sit down for hours and just focus with not much distraction around us. So this is a client project that I'm currently working on. This is for a client who's designing, or who asked me to design, a workbook for kids on emotional intelligence. So she's teaching kids and parents about how to manage their emotions and the different parts of their brain, just really getting them to recognize like anger and that kind of thing. So it's super fun for me to design. I love putting things like this together, you know, creating the colors and the fonts. And I have a lot of clients asking me to design campaign graphics, like for Instagram campaigns or Kickstarters.
Landing pages.
Yeah, landing pages as well, a whole bunch of stuff. Anything to do with design, I absolutely love. So that's our office space, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and I gotta get back to work, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Back from the dead.